Of returns to scale or long-run production function. The law of returns to scale explains how the alteration of all the factors in the same ratio affect the output. Hence, returns to scale is a long-term phenomena. Law of variable proportion is a short-term phenomena where we are keeping three factors constant, fixed, one factors variable. Here we are changing all the factors. So in law of returns to scale, we have three stages. As in the case of law of returns, the returns to scale may be either equal or more than equal or less than equal in proportion. Hence, when the scale is increased, we may get either increasing return, constant return, or decreasing return. The stage 1 is increasing return, stage 2 is constant return, stage 3 is decreasing return. Let's see with the help of table and diagram. This table explains the law of returns to scale. We know that there are four factors of production: land, labor, capital, organization. So x1, x2, x3, x4. For the simplification purpose, we are taking into only x1 and x2, that is labor and land. So Q is function of x1 and x2, that is output is function of labor and land. So in the long run, we are changing two factors, that is all the factors, labor and land. What happened in the output? Let's see. This is first combination, 1 labor plus 2 units of land. The total product is 5. Say the 5 bags of rice. So this is the marginal product 5. So 2 labor, increasing 1 from 2. The 4 units of land. The total product is 15. The marginal product is 10. 15 minus 5, 10. And 3 labor, 6 units of land. The total product is 30. The marginal product is 15. Look here, the total product is increasing. Marginal product is also increasing. This is stage 1, increasing return or increasing stage. Look here, the fourth combination, fifth combination, 4 labor, 5 units of land, 5 labor, 10 units of land. So 45, 60. Here the marginal product, 45 minus 30, 15, 60 minus 45, 15. So the marginal product is constant, same. Here the total product is increasing, but the marginal product is constant. So this stage is called a constant return. The third stage, the combination 6 and 7. So 6 labor plus 12 units of land, 7 labor and 4 units of land. We get 70, 75. So here also the total product is increasing, but here, look here, the marginal product is 10 and 5. So this marginal product is decreasing. So here decreasing return. So in law of returns to scale explains by 3 stages: increasing, constant, and decreasing. This can also explain with the help of the diagram. Look in this diagram, x-axis represents scale, y-axis represents marginal product, the stage 1. So when you are increasing the scale, so the productivity, the marginal production is increasing. After this point, the marginal production is constant. After this point, the marginal production is decreasing. The stage 1 is increasing return, constant return stage 2. The stage 3 is the decreasing return. The scale of production. The scale of production refers to the size of a business organization. It depends upon nature of the industry, the nature and the size of the market, the ability of the entrepreneur, the amount of capital available for the industry. Now, economies of scale. When production is carried on a large scale, the producer obtains a number of advantages or economies. These advantages of large scale production are called economies of scale. When the production takes place in the large amount, the producer will get some advantages. That type of advantages are called economies. These economies are broadly classified into 2 categories, namely internal economies and external economies. What is internal economies? Internal economies are those economies which occur to a single firm with it expands its size. They are dependent upon the resources and efficiency of the entrepreneur. Okay, before that, we want to know the difference between firm and industry. What is firm? What is industry? For example, Usha fan, polar fan. So fan is the industry. Usha fan, polar fan. The Usha fan is the firm. Polar fan is the firm. So firm is an individual unit of a company. Industry is the collection of firm or called industry. So the internal economy or economy which occur to a single firm when it expand its size. So Usha Fan Company expand its size, it gets some benefit. Usha Fan Company produce more fans, the firm itself getting some benefit. This is called the internal economy. Now external economies. External economies are those economy which occurs to each firm of the industry due to expansion of the industry. Hence, external economies are enjoyed by all the firms in the industry. All the Usha Fan, Polar Fan, Orient Fan, all the firms are getting benefited. Then this is called the external economy.